go. And she still sounds good.
That's not exhaust.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a dope episode because as you can read by the title, the Evo is finally back. It is missing a battery. I need to flush out the super old E85 from there because it's probably bad. I do need to put wheels back on it because it's currently on jack stands, as you guys will see right now. It needs intercooler piping and it might need an alternator. I'm not too sure on that just yet. And as you guys can see, yes, I still have the VR4. A lot of you guys seem to be asking about it a lot, and well, the offer still stands for it being for sale. If I do get a good enough offer, I will let it go. And honestly, if I don't get any good offers, I'll just keep it for the channel much later. So we'll see what happens with that. At this point, I need to show you guys the Evo, the conditions it's in. It's been sitting for months, and well, I'm just happy today because we are going to be towing it to another location. Currently super dirty, as you guys can see, but yeah, I do still have it. Maybe one day we'll just mod it. Well, here's the Evo. As you guys can see, I got the NTO3s back home since the white DSM is currently not running, but I do plan on changing the wheel setup on this thing. I have a bunch of stuff in here. Everything's a mess. As far as the tow truck comes, it should be here in around 20 minutes, so I'll go ahead and put you guys on the GoPro, get these wheels on, get it off jack stands, and from there take it to its next location. I'm honestly super hyped that this thing's coming back. Actually, I was considering, since it's up in the air, I might as well start draining the 85, which consists of a bolt down right here by the gas tank. So I'm gonna go and start doing that. I think it does have like a full tank of 85, and it's been sitting for a minute, so I want to reuse that. I'll put you guys back on the GoPro, get this thing back on the ground, and then take off the front bumper because it's still too low for the tow truck. The 85 is drained, wheels are on, bumper is off. He's on a tow truck, he's gonna meet us at the house. I do have Carlos's car, so I'll put you guys on a quick POV. It's so hot. Even on no chug. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. And we made it to the girlfriend's house. We're gonna be getting it running here at the Illest Evo garage. Feels so good to have her back. We still gotta push it inside the garage right now though. Or we might have to clean out the garage too. We are here at the Illest Evo garage with my girl Marissa. Oh, Illest garage. So the game plan for this video is to fit both her Evo and my Evo in this garage. As you guys can see, everything's unorganized. Everything is a bit of a mess. So we do plan on fixing all this just so that we have enough space to put the Evos in here to get it running. Consider this more of an episode 1 as far as getting the Evo going. I still have to get it tuned. I still it needs the piping. It still needs a battery. It still needs new ethanol. It might need a new alternator. So there's a lot of stuff to do. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and put you on a time lapse, clean this garage out, and right after that, we're gonna put the Evo in here and just kind of maybe give it a car wash or something. Yeah, that's it's just like they're both not running, so
I know. No, it's fine in here. I'm like trying to move it closer, so it's like, yeah.
Here we have Marissa's Evo. All it has is a front lip, carbon hood, white powder coated wheels. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Tinted taillights. And as far as mods, it's stock. So she will be modifying it. What? ARP, oh, she did do her head gasket, so ARP head studs.
The intercooler is bigger.
Uh-huh.
And then I have an upper and lower radiator
Mishimoto, that's right.
And then I have the radiator installed with the fan shroud, okay?
Her Evo was leaking from the transfer case, huh?
It's either from the transmission or the transfer case, but it is for sure gear oil. So
yeah, it's a lot, so yeah. I wouldn't drive it like that.
Thanks.
2 hours later, the garage is looking a lot better. Everything is organized towards the back. We do still have to organize the tools a little bit, but we do have to go somewhere right after this, so we kind of had to rush things out. This is Marissa's big HKS turbo that she plans on putting down the road. As far as right now, both Evos aren't running, unfortunately, so we do want to flip this one around, put it inside, and then go pick mine up outside in the front of the house. I'll bring it in here and have them both ready. Well, I'm honestly extremely tired just from pushing the car, cleaning the garage. I don't really feel like washing it, but for episode 2 on the Evo build, we do plan on, one, replacing the battery. I do have to get new intercooler piping, as I put this intercooler piping on the white DSM build for the 428 turbo build. I already drained the E85, so we have to put new 85 in there. The car is currently on a base map thanks to BZmoto, but we will have to get it tuned soon enough because you're not supposed to drive the cars on a base map. It's just to get you from the shop to the tuning facility, so I don't really plan on driving it as much until it gets tuned. But first I do want to make sure that everything is done. There's still a couple things that I have to do with it, and of course I will be keeping you guys in the loop of everything as far as that goes. But expect both these cars to be up and running soon, and just stay tuned for the build series for both Marissa and this Evo. I know a lot of you guys are excited as I am. And as far as that goes, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, say bye,
Bye.
and I'll see you on the next one.